All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at VRS sent over some cases for the Fold 7, and we're going to take a look at it. This is the TerraGuard Modern Halo 360 in metallic green, and here is the Modern 360 in black, and here is the TerraGuard Modern Active 360 in camo black, and then here is the TerraGuard Active 360 in dark brown. So let's go ahead and pop these open here. Let's get my knife. And we're going to open all these up and let's try them on. So shout out to VRS for sending over cases. The pickings are very slim for the Fold and the Flip right now. Shout out to my man Grant Likes Tech. He ended up getting some stuff from, I think, Spieg, and I watched this video on Amazon. And he's right, there's just not a lot going on for cases for these new phones, and I'm surprised that companies didn't meet the demand. Like it's just cases are being back ordered to like August. That's just crazy. So here's the black camo. You can see you got your, looks like MagSafe right there. And this has looks like a glass screen protector on the front there. Now, my phone has a glass screen protector on it, so I don't know how well that's going to play, if it'll even work. Yeah, it works. I'm not going to remove my glass screen protector to install this, but it does work. So I'll go ahead and just pop this on. It's a little snug, but it's enough to get you to see how this is going to look. Now, some people, just disregard this right here. Again, it's because I have a tempered glass on there already. Normally, it will be closed all the way like this. But they do give you a cleaning solution there for it. But here is what it looks like. And this definitely is very nice. It has hinge protection. And that's something that a lot of people want, is hinge protection. I've noticed a lot more people say, I want my hinge protected. This is what the case looks like on the phone. You can see a little bit of VRS design there, VRS design here, and you can see the black camo. The front piece is kind of like they gave it to people because it actually fits. This will look very weird. This is a rugged style case, and so it would look very strange without the front piece. That would look crazy. Let's check this next one out here. And they're all probably going to play along the same way. They all have tempered glasses and front screen protectors built in, which is good though. I mean, well, why not? It's bad enough. Look at me. Oh my God. It's bad enough that the choices for cases are super slim right now, and there's just not a lot of offerings right now. Again, just disregard because I'm trying to put a tempered glass over a tempered glass. But this case is actually pretty nice here. A little bit of VRS branding right there. This is one where cards, I believe. Yeah, put some cards in there. Before, it used to be the sliding slots, and yeah, I'm pretty sure people hated that. But this one's not going to work with MagSafe or anything, but it does give you the grip you need to open it. Some people are saying that this phone is hard to open without any case, and I don't think so. I think it's perfectly fine. All right, let's try the next case on here. And again, these are all like rugged style cases, man. These aren't for the faint of heart. These aren't going to be for people who don't want a bulkier design on their phones. I'll just leave this part on because it's black too. But here is the case, and it tells you here, remove sticker to unlock magnetic capabilities. Some of you guys are wanting to know about, MagSafe and stuff like that. But I mean, I don't know what the big deal is for demoing it. Let me get my MagSafe thing here. You know what it's like. You know what it does. That's a strong magnet. Is it you just want to see how strong the magnets are? This is a freaking strong magnet. So we'll pop this back portion off here. Yeah, here we go. And we'll put on this portion here. This is what it looks like. Again, VRS design branding right there. And you've got, I don't like this with the black front. This would have a black front too. I don't know why it's not green, but they chose black, I guess. I don't know. But with these cases, man, you get a tempered glass right out the gate. And some people are not going to have a tempered glass. So this is perfect for you. It's perfect for you. Last case, let me show it to you here. I was really hoping for something thinner, but VRS doesn't do like a lot of thin style cases. They do these rugged style cases. And again, I find it strange that they didn't do like the color match. I mean, I know that it's I know that it's, you know, kind of a design thing where, you know, you got it would have been nice to have all of these matching the front lens if you're gonna include it. Yeah, that would have been really nice. Yeah. Pretty much all these have MagSafe except for the one with the wallet. So this is what you're getting into by getting these cases. My lighting decided to leave. Here's all the cases. I personally, you know, these are nice. The green is the best one to me. I think that it would have been nicer to have a color matched front. I'm not feeling it with the black around. And I see what they're doing, though. They're matching this black portion right here, but I just don't think this looks right. It's okay. It's okay. But here's what they are. Here they are. I'll leave a link in the description if you decide to pick up any of these. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.